In this video, I'm going to show you 2 best AI tools for summarizing YouTube videos. There are lots of videos on the app being uploaded on YouTube. So you need to know which video answers your question, which video should you focus on, so you don't waste 20 minutes, 45 minutes watching like 5 videos before you find the one that has the answer to your questions. When you search on YouTube, you want to get information. There's a lot of content, obviously. You can easily have information overload. This tool I'm about to reveal to you will help you save time. You can get a written summary of the video in 10 to 15 seconds and determine if the video is worthy of dedicating your precious time. Stay with me as we dive in. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first tool on my list is Glarity. On the website, you can see we can add to our browser. So we are using a Chrome browser. I'm just going to click on Add to Chrome to add the extension, and it's loaded up. I've added it, but if you have not yet added it, you just click on Add to Chrome and it will be installed on your browser. Once we do that, we have to go to YouTube and click on the extension tab to activate it. So I'm going to pin it where I can see and activate it. Now let's watch a video. So I'm going to search for my video. And this is the video, and look at the tool at work right now. By the right hand side, you can see it is already populating the summary. You can see the summary. It's very easy to understand, very short for a 13 minutes video. You can also refresh to have it generate another summary for you. So you can just read through it, and if you decide that this video doesn't have the content you need and you want, you can move to another video. You can also look through it to get facts. Maybe what are the things I listed. If you don't have the time to stay through the video, you can get from the summary the things I listed, because I said 6 easy steps, and when you list things, people would want to just know what you listed. So it's a very powerful tool to get summary. And you can see if I'm not satisfied with the summary generated, I can click on the refresh button and it will generate another summary on the same video. You can refresh as many times as possible until you get the perfect summary that you want. Check this out. You can see it's writing stuff, and I think this is more detailed than the first one, but it's still the same thing it's saying essentially. So this is nice and it works. The number 2 tool on my list is Extractify. Also summarizes your video, and it can repurpose your content from the video into Twitter posts and LinkedIn posts, which of course you can edit it to suit your taste and your voice. We're going to try out the video summarizer tool. I'm going to take the link of the video and put it here and generate. So it's getting the content. You can see the free trial version of this software gives you 10 free attempts, and you can see I've used one. So look at the summary. Just look at the summary. You can see it. You can use the button to just copy out all the content if you need it. I think this summary is more robust than Glarity. You can see it's actually in-depth, but essentially it's still a summary. So you can decide which of these tools you prefer. You can just leave a comment, A or B, Glarity or Extractify. Which do you prefer for video summarizing? So don't forget, I'm also going to leave a link where you can try out those tools. We need to try the tweet generator feature on this tool. It requires our Twitter handle, which I'm going to put, and I get to choose if it's a tweet or a thread I want. Also, you get to select the time frame of the content you want it to repurpose. So if a section in your video you were speaking about a particular topic for, let's say, 3 minutes, you can give the tool that time frame, and it will only repurpose content within that time frame to your Twitter handle and turn it into a tweet, a thread, or a LinkedIn post as the case may be. I'm just going to choose a random time. Okay, 1 minute 42 seconds to 11 minutes. Right, that's cool. So we'll generate. You can see the tweet it generated for me and listed it in like 5 points. Of course, this is not perfect, but you can just do an editing to your own voice and to make sense the way you want it to do. But it can help you overcome writer's block if you're not a social media person. You can also use it to generate a thread. Let's see. You can see this. It generated 2 threads for us, so we can use this to make 2 threads 2 different times, as the case may be. And if you also want to try out the LinkedIn feature, you can select LinkedIn post, and it will generate a post that is suited for LinkedIn platform. I think overall this tool is awesome, but you can leave a comment telling me which one you prefer, Glarity or Extractify. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get updated every time I upload a new video. So this is just the free version, but you can upgrade. The free version has limited 10 free attempts. If you want an unlimited attempt, you can subscribe. It's just $5 a month, and I think it's not so bad for the features, for all the features that you get, from summarizing YouTube videos to repurposing content. I think it's an awesome tool, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you soon.